Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and mga kaibigan, nandito po uli ako para mag-unbox. Na-unbox na natin to before but this time may hands-on tayo. So this is the Cherry Mobile Flare S7. So this is the 3 gigs variant. So dalawang variant siya. May 2 gigs, may 3 gigs. This one is 4,999 pesos. Really affordable and really cool price. And so ano ba meron dito sa smartphone na to? Well, we got a 5.5-inch HD display here. We don't have the notch here, but it's fine with me that we don't have a notch. It's an affordable smartphone. Then we got here the MP6739 processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage. We got a quad camera setup here, 13 plus 2 sa unahan and 13 plus 2 sa likod. Really interesting. We got LTE. We got dual SIM, we got the fingerprint scanner at the back. It has a USB Type-C. It's running on Android 8.1 Oreo. And then there's the removable 2400 mAh of battery. So, na-unbox na natin siya before but hindi natin na hands-on. So, medyo mag-easy tayo sa unboxing niya. So, ano pa bang inaantay natin? I-unbox na natin and tingnan natin kung ano ba meron dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S7. So yan guys, you're looking at the Cherry Mobile Flare S7. Again, 3 gigs of RAM, brilliancy new, 7 here in the smartphone. Really cool box, really cool design. Sa back, makikita mo yung features siya, 8.1 Oreo, quad camera, quad core, 5.5-inch, blah blah blah, 2,400 mAh of battery. You've seen the specifications. Let's unbox the smartphone. Okay guys, so we got here the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 and this one is in red. Wow, wow, ang ganda niya. Actually, ang ganda ng color niya. So this is the red Cherry Mobile Flare S7. Mamaya pag-uusapan natin yung design niya, na may isa ko sa design niya. So lagay mo natin dito sa side, then inside we got here the USB cable. So this is a USB-C to USB-A. And then we got here the charger. So the charger is actually rated at 1200 milliamps per hour. So milliamperes. So that's 5 volts, 1200 milliamperes. Not that bad. Of course, we got here the earphone. So it's just the basic earphones with the Cherry Mobile logo, but it does look nice to me. Of course, we need this one. This one is the removable battery. So it's 2019 and we still got removable battery. Really cool, 2400 milliamps per hour. So hindi siya ganun kalaki, but it's 5.5-inch, so you don't need that much, I guess. So we also got here the quick user guide and also the Cherry application. So yes, tago muna natin itong mga to and let's check out the Cherry Mobile Flare S7. Alright guys, so nakatingin kayo ngayon sa Cherry Mobile Flare S7 and as you can see, the smartphone does look really good, surprisingly. It actually reminds me of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Makikita nyo, the red color is really shining. It is shimmering. So meron siyang effect dito sa likod. It's actually made up of plastic. And ang gusto ko sa kanya is yung look niya na meron parang gumagano, no? So parang nagsishimmer yung likod niya, which is really cool. Then of course we got here the fingerprint scanner, the dual lens camera, the LED flash. On the right we got here the power button and also the volume rocker of the smartphone. Sa ilalim we got here the USB-C. Yeah, so we still have USB-C here and also the speaker grill. On the top we got here the headphone jack. So unlike the Cherry Mobile Flare S7 Plus, we got here the headphone jack. So sa unahan naman, so as you can see, meron tayong pattern and also face unlock. So sa unahan, we got here the 5.5-inch display. So we got a bezel here. So it's not really a 2018 or 2019 design. We do not have the notch here, unlike the Flare S7 Deluxe and the S7 Plus and the other flares, including the Flare J6. We do have though the LED flash on the front and of course the camera dito sa unahan. So this one is still running on the V12 version of the operating system. So the V16 will be the one, yung latest update. So right now it's still in V12. So the one that might show you, baka ma-upgrade pa siya and mas gumanda pa siya. Anyway, let's check out the smartphone. So as you can see here, here's the UI of the smartphone. nothing really fancy about it. I mean, yes, we do have some pre-installed applications, including the Firefox Rocket. So basically, Firefox Rocket lets you browse faster than ever. So may turbo mode, save data. So para ka makasave ka ng data dito, gagamitin nyo itong Firefox Rocket. Saan ka mahilig talaga mag-save ng data. Of course, we got the Cherry Fan Club. We got Chumps Live. Chumps Live is like Bigo. So it's a live streaming application. So kung gusto niyo yan, you can check out Chumps Live. We got the Info Center. Basically, well, as the name itself, latest na balita and also the information. And then, yeah, so surprisingly, wala dito yung system update. Maybe because hindi pa siya updated. But so far, ito yung mga pre-installed applications. Yeah. So, what I like about it is, yes, it's running on Helio A22. It's not the fastest one, but it's actually fine to me. I mean, okay lang yung navigation niya. So, it's not really something na mainis kayo. And then, sa storage siya, makita nyo, meron tayong 10.75 gig na free. So, maliit lang yung kinaya na storage niya, surprisingly. And thankfully, hindi tayo nagpapatakbo dito na Android Go. That's why this one is running on full OS. And yes, there's 3 gigs of RAM. So, hindi pa tayo nagbe-benchmark dito. Hopefully, makapag-download tayong benchmark and then ma-review kagad natin to smartphone na to. So, yeah, as you can see here, swipe right. Makikita nyo yung Google application. Anyway, nothing really much na makikita dito sa Cherry Mobile Flare S7. Aside sa medyo malinis yung UI niya. Medyo okay naman. And, sorry, it's not Helio A22 na sinabi ko. It's empty MediaTek na processor. So, sinabi ko kanina sa inyo yun. So, yeah, we could check out the camera of the smartphone here. So, the camera of the smartphone is actually parang sa Cherry OS na try natin before. So, we will probably see an updated version of this one soon. So, yan, makikita nyo photo. So, actually, I took some photos earlier. And, well, the shots isn't the best one that I've seen. So, balik tayo sa gallery. So, this one isn't the best photos na nakita ko sa isang smartphone. So, oh yeah, so, sorry. Balik tayo dito sa camera. So, this one isn't the best photos na nakita ko sa isang smartphone. So, it's 5,000 pesos. I believe some smartphones are better than this. But, so far, makikita nyo na merong bokeh na dumarating dito. Yes, we do have a bokeh mode, pero radial yung bokeh niya, which is disappointing to me. But, so far, ayan. So, nakakuha naman siya ng details. And, though medyo bluish or cooler yung photos niya, it's not the best one, but it's just fine to me. Here's the shot of the box. So, medyo may details talaga siya nakukuha dito. So, surprisingly, hindi siya ganun kaganda, pero hindi rin siya ganun kasama. So, average lang siya para sa akin. So, here's a selfie. So, this one is actually surprising. So, maganda yung selfie camera niya. Makikita niyo naman na may details. Kita yung details sa mukha ko. It's not the clearest one, but yeah, so far, tama lang siya para sa akin for a 5,000 pesos smartphone. So, verdict tayo. So, again, this is just a hands-on first impressions and may darating pang update sa software nito, but right now, mapapansin natin, ang gusto ko sa kanya is yung kanyang design. Ang ganda ng likod niya, ang ganda tignan. And it's very ergonomic. One thing na isa pang nagustuhan ko dito is the weight of the smartphone. It is really light. It is very comfortable to use. And one of the best things talaga na meron dito is the build quality and its weight. So, the UI is actually cleaner than I expected. I was actually expecting na ang smartphone na to ay may Cherry OS. And as you can see, the face unlock was just fine. The fingerprint scanner was just fine. So, the camera, well, it's not the best, just average to me. Though it needs more improvement siguro soon. So, yeah, I guess that's it for our hands-on first impressions of the Cherry Mobile Flare S7. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm jumonline.ph. Thanks for watching our hands-on unboxing of the Cherry Mobile Flare S7.